Today is the big day, our final outdoor harvest for the Kratky peppers. Just look at these bright red peppers. They turned out so much better than I hoped. Welcome back to part 3. Remember when these were just small green plants that I moved out from under the indoor grow lights? They had to take some time to get used to the real sun. Once the temperature on the terrace started rising, we wrapped the reservoirs in foil to block the heat and keep the algae away. Then came a massive growth. The plants grew huge and got loaded with green fruit. Now at the end of summer, so many of them have finally turned deep red, and it's time to pick and taste them. Let's get clipping. These red peppers are so heavy and firm. The Kratky method out here on the patio has worked surprisingly well with minimal maintenance. It was that one, but I think.
Okay, let's cut it up and see if the rest can be eaten.
Looks nice.
Looks perfect.
And does it taste perfect?
Of course it does. Very good.
Let's have a look at this one.
Yeah, let's see if
See inside.
we can use some of it. Yeah.
Looks just cut away this piece and let's eat it.
Let's taste it.
Taste it. Yeah.
It still tastes good.
Take another piece of it.
The other one was a bit crunchier.
Look at these Delizzimo strawberries. They're still blooming like crazy and covered in green berries. But the cold weather is creeping in. My plan is to keep them out here for as long as possible, but once night temperatures start dropping down towards freezing, I'm moving them indoors to finish ripening under grow lights.